Good morning. My name is ALFIYA JAFAR and I'm a first year student studying AI and DS. My startup company's proposed name is Delight Cosmetics. My product present name is Cosmetics and product proposed name is Flawless Beauty and Care. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity are it can determine the pH, skin tone and skin texture and give the perfect shade by applying itself. It is also a skincare product removing all the chemicals usually used in the cosmetics. Serum, moisturizer, toner, and sunscreen in one product with all the essentials like SPF, the required acids or vitamins like salicylic acid, niacinamide, arbutin, etc. in one product itself. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Cosmetic and futuristic product name is Flawless Beauty and Care. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Order free product, quality, eco-friendly packaging and budget friendly. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.